what do you do to accept Shabbos earlier? You just do Kiddush earlier and that's all?
Yeah, that's it. Okay. So the earliest time that we can accept Shabbos, so I don't know, I don't want to switch from this view. It's after Plaga Mincha. Plaga Mincha is we said 1 hour and 15 minutes halachically before. I think right now, if you want, you can accept Shabbos. I think, but you have to double check. It's 5. Shabbos starts at 6:18 or candlelight in 6 whatever. Like I think you have to check, but in a few minutes you can accept Shabbos. So, but before accepting Shabbos, make sure you pray Mincha first, because after that you will not be able to. You finish and you start. You pray Mariv, evening Mariv, but make sure that all of the milachas are done. All the lights are on, everything is ready, and you can accept Shabbos. Yes, 100%.